Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to rearrange your Instagram profile grid without deleting posts. To do this it's very simple. It's a new update on Instagram. You open Instagram, go to your profile. After that go and click on edit profile, and as you can see there is an option called reorder grid. Click on it, and to reorder the grid you have just to long press on any post and move it to any place that you want, like this. You will make this first, and just after that you get back, and as you can see the grid of my profile is rearranged. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.